Looking to build a simple, beautiful website fast? Today we are comparing Card and Strawpage, two popular one-page site builders in 2025. Which one gives you more for your time, money, and creativity? Let's break it down. Ease of use. Both Card and Strawpage are known for their simplicity, but they approach it differently. Card offers a minimalist drag and drop interface that is incredibly beginner friendly. You can literally build a page in under 10 minutes with zero coding. Strawpage, on the other hand, takes a unique AI first approach. It asks you a few questions and auto generates a full site for you. That's right. No templates, just answers and done. Winner for fastest setup, Strawpage. But if you want more control, Card takes the lead. Design and templates. Card comes with a solid collection of clean, responsive templates, ideal for personal profiles, portfolios, or landing pages. You can customize them quite a bit too. Strawpage doesn't use templates. Instead, it uses AI to generate modern designs based on your industry. It is great for quick launches, but customization is more limited unless you tweak it manually. Design verdict: Card offers more flexibility, while Strawpage is ideal for quick, smart layouts without much input. Features and integrations. When it comes to features, Card includes form support, custom domains, animations, and third-party embeds. Think MailChimp, PayPal, even Calendly. It's powerful for such a lightweight platform. Strawpage is more focused. It's great for collecting leads with built-in forms and email capture, but lacks deeper integrations as of 2025. They have improved, but still not as robust as Card. So for flexibility and integrations, Card wins again. Pricing. Let's talk about money. Card is incredibly affordable, free for basic use, and just $19 a year for pro features. Yes, that's per year. Strawpage offers a free plan too, but its premium AI features and custom domains start at around $8 per month. If you are post-strapping, Card is the clear winner in terms of value. Final verdict. So which one should you go for and which one should you pick? Go with Cod if you want full creative control, deeper customization, and unbeatable value. It's perfect for landing pages, portfolios, and personal sites. Choose a Strawpage if you need something launch it fast with zero design work. Think MVPs, link and bio pages, or quick product showcases. So which one do you prefer, AI speed or design freedom? Let me know down below in the comments, and which one will you go for? And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please like this video, and goodbye.